Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm back with that Yamaha FZ6 for a customer. We're going to be changing the front brake pads. And of course, there's two calipers on both sides, so you change both pads at the same time, always. We're going to be putting on the EBC brakes FA199 right there. That's what we're going to be using on both sides. Make sure you use the same type of pad. This is a 12 mil. If it's on there really good, take your wrench, take a mallet, and go whack, hit that side. It will come undone. You just pull these out like that, and you'll notice there's a little bit of grease on those. You'll want to clean these, put some new grease, just a light coating, not a lot, and put those back in and thread them in. And once you do that, take this caliper and you just pull it right out just like so, and you'll see the pistons out. I will take a C-clamp and I will push that in. We'll take a look at the pads. Actually, these pads aren't that horrible, but it's cheap insurance to just go ahead and replace them. Do it all at the same time. Now you can also do the hardware too. I think the hardware is fine typically. Guess to each their own on that. But the fronts are real easy on street bikes. So open up the package. Bada boom, bada bing. You got your pads. There we go. These notches, just have to go ahead and get it on both sides like so. And take that mighty C-clamp of yours. Like so. Mine's nice and wide. This is just Harbor Freight. That's it. It should be able to cover both of those pistons with it. Hold on. Okay, we'll go on an angle like that so I can cover both pistons. Slowly just put it back. It's flat. There you go. Then you take that one and make sure those rubber things are sitting correctly. I'll go ahead and wipe these off and put some grease on it. So I've been using this Red and Tacky from Lucas, #2. Works pretty good. So, just kind of put a little on there. Slide her on. Once again. Like that. Slide her in. And there we go. Now, take your paper towel or rag, wipe off any grease that comes out, like through there. That one looks good. Take your 12 mil and like that, like so, and repeat on the other side, and there, you're done. Very quick, very easy. Next thing I always do is come up and pump the brake, and we got the brakes back. The reason you do that is A, you put more fluid back into here, even though it's just a little. so you have more volume when you press that one back in and put the pads in. Plus safety. I don't know how many times in my past where I've jumped on the bike where I forgot the rear or the front down my small driveway and I'm like, whoa! So yeah, good idea to just always go ahead and have brakes again right away. So just do it so you don't get distracted and forget about it. Hopefully this video helped you out on how to do your front caliper brake change on a 2005 FZ6. Have a good one.